மாஸ் கீழப்பாவூர்.
Hi, welcome to Mass Keelappavur channel. I am Dr. Aruna Shanmugavel. In this video, we are going to learn the intraembryonic mesoderm and its derivatives. Let us start the session with a quote. Some say you won't make it just because they didn't make it. The intraembryonic mesoderm is subdivided into three parts from medial to lateral. They are paraxial mesoderm, intermediate mesoderm, lateral plate mesoderm. Let us see one by one in detail. The paraxial mesoderm lies parallel to notochord and gets segmented. Each segment is one somite. Somites appear by 20th day of gestation and 3 or 4 somites are formed per day. About 40 somites develop in total, but in the caudal end, some somites disappear. Each somite receives one spinal nerve from the spinal cord that develops from caudal part of neural tube. The somite has three parts. Sclerotome is the anteromedial part, myotome in the intermediate part, and dermatome in the outer part. The sclerotome cells proliferate, migrate to surround the notochord and neural tube. They form the vertebral column and the ribs. Myotome forms the voluntary muscles attached to the axial skeleton. These muscles are supplied by the nerve of that somite. Dermatome forms the dermis of skin and subcutaneous tissue. Remember, the muscles of tongue developed from occipital somites and supplied by hypoglossal nerve. The extraocular muscles developed from pre-occipital somites and supplied by third, fourth, and sixth cranial nerves. The intermediate mesoderm forms genitourinary system. The lateral plate mesoderm is subdivided into outer and inner layers by the intraembryonic coelom. The outer layer is the somatopleuric mesoderm and inner layer is splanchnopleural mesoderm. The somatopleuric mesoderm forms the body wall, bones, cartilages, joints, ligaments, all the muscles, tendons, fascia, all types of connective tissue, blood vessels, lymph vessels, stroma of viscera, upper and lower limbs. The splanchnopleural mesoderm forms the viscera of abdominal cavity and thoracic cavity. The intraembryonic coelom gives rise to pericardial cavity, pleural cavity, and peritoneal cavity. The other mesodermal derivatives are septum transversum and heart tube. Septum transversum forms diaphragm and stroma of liver. Heart tube develops into the four-chambered heart. Shall we end up this session with a quote? Wherever life plants you, bloom with grace. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon, select all to get instant notification.